In the first video, I talk about sliding scale fee and the issues that it brings up with our ethics and how we treat our clients. But also part of our ethics is to give back, to be of service, to contribute. So what are some ways that we can do that without burdening ourselves in the process and burning out as we try to stand in the gap of this broken system? One thing I really recommend is, if you love it, offer group therapy. This makes therapy accessible to other people. Yes, you have to learn how to market it, how to talk about it, but it makes it affordable for people to access great mental health care. And if you've never been in group therapy yourself, I highly recommend it. Another option is to take a few of your sessions on top of your caseload that you have set aside for a sliding scale and offer them through something like Open Path Collective. Open Path is a nonprofit, and they make therapy accessible to other people. When you work with Open Path, you know that you're helping people who are making below $100,000 in their household income. You can work with victim witness programs, Loveland Foundation. They actually pay their therapists, and they serve a great cause. So you take yourself out of the equation of trying to assess, does this person meet the criteria financially? You allow somebody else to do that, someone who has funding, who has those processes in place, and then you can provide the care. Other ways we can give back: providing supervision, mentorship, friendship, case consultation to colleagues. There's a lot of other ways that we can support each other. Hello, we need community. We are not going to survive this society and this economy by pulling ourselves up on our own and doing it all ourselves. We need each other. So some of the way we can give back is also supporting each other. Being a therapist who educates, speaks, goes out in the community, provides resources, that is also another way to give back. I know this sounds probably counterintuitive, but even doing your free consultation can be a way of giving back, because it's not just about like take, and whoever calls me, I'm going to book them. If you are a really great therapist with lots of integrity, we want you to build connections in the community. So that way when someone contacts you, you can do an assessment, know whether or not this person is the right fit for you. And if they're not, give them great referrals. Giving people great referrals, educating them on the system and how it works is a way we give back. And like I said in my first part video, I use the green bottle method for my sliding scale. It may not be for you. You may decide, sliding scale makes me resentful, frustrated. I start judging what my clients are bringing up in session. Those are cues. Sliding scale may not be for you. You can give back in other ways. Donate your money, donate your time, donate your expertise in other places. Do not bring resentment into the clinical relationship. Stick around for part 3, and I'm going to give you a few more tips on sliding scale in private practice.